Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 31st algorithm video, and in this video we are given a list of numbers. The list would contain numbers from 1 to a last number. I would define the last number in this question as 5. Now I need to find the missing number in this list. For I in range 1 to last number plus 1. I also need to define the missing number as -1, indicating that it is not yet found. If I not in list number, I update the missing number to I. Now at the end of for loop I print missing number. So the missing number in this list is 4. If I change the question say to 143 and the last number is 4, so the missing number in this list is 2. This is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.